Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're jumping right into the future of project management by showing you how to create project timelines for visual tracking. This is your complete 2025 guide. First up, we need to identify our project milestones. These are the critical stages or events in your project that act as progress indicators. The reason we do this is to break down the project into manageable pieces, making it easier to track our progress visually. Next, we want to determine the duration for each milestone. This helps us by giving a realistic view of how long each segment of the project will take. It's important to combine team input and historical data for an accurate estimation. Now that we've done that, we'll allocate the necessary resources to each milestone. This includes team members, tools, and budget. By doing this, we ensure that each milestone has the resources it needs to be achieved on time and within budget. Moving along, it's time to create our visual timeline using a project management tool. There are several out there, so choose one that suits your needs best. We do this to have a clear, visual representation of our project's timeline, making it easier to track progress and manage resources effectively. Let me explain why this matters. A visual timeline allows for easy identification of any bottlenecks, delays, or overlaps in the project. It's a simple yet powerful tool that keeps everyone on the same page and the project on track. Now, the final step is to review and adjust the timeline as necessary. This is crucial as it accounts for any changes or unforeseen circumstances that may arise during the project. Remember, a timeline isn't set in stone. It's a dynamic tool that changes as your project evolves. And there you have it. You've just created a project timeline for visual tracking, a crucial tool for any project manager in 2025. Remember, the key to successful project management is clear communication and effective visual tracking, and your timeline is a big part of that. Thanks for joining us today. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on effective project management. Keep up the good work, and we'll see you next time.